Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain why France surrendered to Germany. France, despite having a substantial army and extensive defensive fortifications, faced a swift and decisive defeat. Germany employed innovative military strategies that bypassed traditional defenses, leading to a rapid collapse of French resistance. We'll explore the key factors that contributed to this unexpected outcome, including the effectiveness of Germany's new approach to warfare and the challenges faced by the French military. After the devastation of World War I, France constructed the Maginot Line, a formidable series of fortifications designed to prevent another invasion. However, this defensive line primarily covered the border with Germany, leaving the Franco-Belgian border, particularly the Ardennes forest, less fortified. Germany exploited this vulnerability with its blitzkrieg, or lightning war strategy, which combined rapid movements of tanks, motorized infantry, and overwhelming air support to punch through unexpected areas. The German invasion began on May 10, 1940, with attacks on Belgium and the Netherlands, drawing Allied forces northward. However, the main German thrust, featuring powerful panzer divisions, unexpectedly surged through the lightly defended Ardennes forest. This rapid advance quickly broke through French lines at Sedan, creating a critical breach. Allied forces in Belgium were then encircled, leading to the desperate but successful evacuation of over 300,000 soldiers from Dunkirk. With their defenses shattered and key cities falling, the French government declared Paris an open city, which German troops occupied on June 14. Facing overwhelming military defeat and a rapidly collapsing front, Marshal Philippe Pétain's government sought an armistice with Germany on June 17. This led to the formal signing of the armistice on June 22, 1940, effectively ending organized French resistance. For great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.